I've been eyeing this blush from ALLIE for a while now and finally got my hands on it. It is their Cheek UV and it's supposed to have an SPF 50 PA++ for a blush, and I got the shade in Lucent Pink. It's supposed to have an SPF 50, friction proof, waterproof, and what's amazing is beach proof. I don't know what that means, but it says beach proof. There are 2 shades available, and I must admit it's a little pricey, 1,600 yen. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend, and it's kind of patchy, I must admit. So let's try using the other side with a brush. Build this up, and it looks much better with a brush, I guess. Let's blot it with a tissue to see if this is really transfer proof, and as you can see, it did not transfer on the tissue. Surprise, did not transfer on my mask. I must say this is a subtle colored blush, but if you're looking for a more pigmented one, definitely this is not for you, but I like it for an everyday use.